Looking to embark on your academic journey in the vibrant city of London? Look no further than Hackney Wick Park, your ultimate heaven in the heart of the city. Step into a world of unparalleled comfort and style with a range of shared and private apartments, each meticulously designed to cater to every need. From the moment you enter, bask in the natural glow, sunlight streaming through expansive windows, offering breathtaking panoramas of the bustling cityscape. Sink into the embrace of generously sized beds, guaranteeing nights of undisturbed rest, while thoughtfully crafted study desks provide the perfect sanctuary for scholarly pursuits. With ample storage space and roomy wardrobes, organizing your wardrobe becomes a breeze. Communal areas beckon with the promise of camaraderie and relaxation, whether you're bonding over movies in the cozy TV lounge, delving into academic endeavors in the resourceful library, or breaking a sweat in the state-of-the-art gymnasium. And for those tranquil moments of reflection, the serene courtyard offers an idyllic escape from the urban bustle. With easy access to Fish Island's Stop OU, a mere stone's throw away, reaching both Loughborough University, London campus, and Queen Mary University of London is a breeze. And when the weekend beckons, indulge in cultural excursions to the iconic British Museum or verdant retreats at Greenwich Park, creating cherished memories with friends along the way. Forge unforgettable memories and embrace the essence of student life at Hackney Wick Park. Secure your slice of paradise now at amberstudent.com and embark on an unforgettable chapter in the heart of London.